Have you ever wanted to transform a simple sketch into a stunning real design? In this Canva tutorial, I will show you how to create a powerful sketch tutorial effects that perfect for product mockups, creative posters, and even coffee branding. Open your Canva and choose your project size. I will choose Instagram post and then upload your product photo. For example, I will choose this coffee. I will increase the size to fit the page and then duplicate the page. Go to page 1, click here, and then go to apps and type sketch, enter. Choose sketch my photo and then click sketch selected image. You can also adjust the line thickness and edge sensitivity here, but I will choose like this and then click save. Okay, now go to page 2. This image is not a transparent background, so remove the background with widget remover and then rotate it to the right 30 degree and then download it as PNG with transparent background, page 2 only, and download. Now let's create the split effect. Go to page 1 and then upload the PNG of page 2 here. Increase the size to fit the page and then rotate 30 degree to the left and then crop from here to here and then go to element and type here shadow. On the graphic, see all. I will choose this one and then I will rotate it 60 degree to the right and then I will increase the size. Now go to position, layers and select them all and move it to the bottom like this. Now let's type the text and then select the text. I will change the font to Antonio Regular. Left alignment. I will reduce the line spacing. Increase the size a little. I will change this color to this brown and then rotate 30 degree to the left and I'll place it here. So now we have it. Hit like if you enjoy this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Also, I share some exclusive Canva templates on my Gumroad store. You will find the link in the description. See you soon and have fun with Canva.